Ever feel like the world of finance is speaking a different language? Like everyone else knows some secret handshake to grow their money, and you're just standing outside the club? You're not alone. For many beginners, the sheer number of options for managing and growing their funds can feel overwhelming. Today, we're going to cut through some of that noise and take a close look at two popular platforms that often pop up in these conversations, Ally Bank and Robinhood. Now, you might be thinking, a bank and a brokerage? Aren't those totally different things? And you'd be right, in a way. But both Ally and Robinhood offer avenues for you to take control of your financial future, just in very different ways. So, instead of just listing features, let's think about you. What are your financial goals right now? Are you primarily focused on safely growing your savings and accessing your money easily? Or are you more interested in the potential for higher returns through investing in a stock market? Understanding that fundamental difference is the first step in figuring out which platform, or perhaps even a combination of both, might be the right fit for you as a beginner. Let's start with Ally Bank. When you hear bank, you probably think of checking accounts, savings accounts, maybe even loans. Ally Bank operates primarily online, which allows them to often offer more competitive interest rates on their deposit accounts compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Think about your savings goals. Maybe you're saving for a down payment on a car, a vacation, or just building an emergency fund. A high-yield savings account can help your money grow faster simply by earning more interest over time. Ally Bank is well known for its high-yield savings accounts and often features rates that are significantly above the national average. This means your money works harder for you, even while you're not actively doing anything. Beyond savings, Ally also offers checking accounts. While some online banks might skimp on features, Ally provides a checking account with no monthly maintenance fees and access to a large network of ATMs. This can be a significant advantage for beginners who want a straightforward and affordable way to manage their day-to-day finances. They also offer other banking products like money market accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, providing a range of options for different savings horizons and risk tolerances. The user experience with Ally Bank is generally praised for its simplicity and ease of use. Their website and mobile app are designed to be intuitive, making it easy for beginners to navigate their accounts, transfer funds, and track their savings progress. Customer service is another area where Ally often receives positive reviews, which can be particularly reassuring for those who are new to online banking and might have questions or need assistance. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Robinhood. When Robinhood burst onto the scene, it did so with a clear mission: to democratize finance for all. Their core offering is a commission-free platform for trading stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies, though the availability of crypto can vary by location. For beginners who are curious about investing in the stock market, the idea of commission-free trading can be incredibly appealing. Traditionally, every time you bought or sold a stock through a brokerage, you would pay a commission fee. These fees could eat into your potential returns, especially if you were trading smaller amounts. Robinhood eliminated these fees, making it more accessible for individuals with less capital to start investing. However, it's crucial to understand that while you're not paying a direct commission per trade, Robinhood, like other commission-free brokers, does generate revenue through other means, such as payment for order flow. While this is a common practice, it's something beginners should be aware of. Robinhood's platform is known for its sleek and user-friendly mobile app. The interface is often described as being very intuitive, making it easy to browse different investments, place trades, and track your portfolio performance. This simplicity can be a significant draw for beginners who might find more complex trading platforms intimidating. However, it's also important to acknowledge that the simplicity of Robinhood's interface can sometimes come at the cost of in-depth research tools and educational resources. While they do offer some basic information about companies, beginners who are serious about investing will likely need to supplement their research with resources from other sources. Furthermore, the ease of trading on Robinhood has also raised some concerns about the potential for impulsive decision-making, especially among newer investors. The gamified feel of the app, with its confetti animations after trades, can sometimes encourage frequent trading, which isn't always the best strategy for long-term wealth building. So, how do you decide between Ally Bank and Robinhood? The answer really comes down to your primary financial goals. If your main focus right now is on building a solid financial foundation, saving money securely, and earning a competitive interest rate, Ally Bank is likely the more suitable choice. It provides the essential banking services you need with the added benefit of high-yield savings accounts that can help your money grow steadily over time. The ease of use and strong customer service are also significant advantages for beginners. On the other hand, if you are specifically interested in exploring the world of investing and are comfortable with the inherent risks involved in the stock market, Robinhood can provide a commission-free entry point. The simple and user-friendly platform can make it less daunting to start buying and selling stocks and ETFs. However, it's crucial to approach investing with a long-term perspective and to educate yourself thoroughly before making any investment decisions. It's also worth considering that these two platforms aren't mutually exclusive. Many individuals use a combination of both. They might keep their emergency fund and short-term savings in a high-yield account like Ally Bank while using Robinhood for their longer-term investment goals. This allows them to benefit from the security and interest rates of a traditional banking platform while also participating in the potential growth of the stock market. As a beginner, it's essential to take your time, understand your own financial goals and risk tolerance, and do your research before choosing any financial platform. Don't feel pressured to jump into investing if you're not comfortable with it yet. Building a strong savings foundation is a crucial first step for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.